Okay, this one is Birding for Babies. It's a numbers book. I don't know if it's just my kids, but they are obsessed with birds for some reason. So this is a fun counting book for them. So it goes through different kinds of birds and it counts. So it's cool because it has beautiful picture, it counts it, and it gives you a fun fact. So there's lots of ways to read this book. Sometimes we just do the fun facts, sometimes we just do the counting. But it's super like pretty abstract birds. And then it has like tap tap, it has good sounds for little babies as well as the counting, and it bolds the numbers and the fun fact. So it goes through all these really pretty birds, and then the number of birds gets larger obviously, and then we count them. So even though it's a small like 10 bird book, it can last you a while if you do the fun facts and if you count each bird on each page. So I love this one as a quiet time activity.